Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very beautiful app. This is very special app. You can get this app in Play Store free of cost. And now I'm going to show you how to add different effects into your picture. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, so tell me in the comment box. I will answer you very soon. So let's start. Application name is Square Blended, and this is a free application you can get in the Play Store. This is the effects, and Christmas is coming, and I am going to show you some effects related to Christmas, so you can see in the screen. There is a lot of nearly 10 effects in this application related to Christmas, so you can use these effects with your photo. I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to select one of the effects. Let's try this. So this application using your internet, so you have to enable your internet data connection or Wi-Fi connection. So add one of the picture, and this application automatically crop your photo and delete the background. Then you can see, and here you can adjust according to your need. And you can use another effect with the same picture. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, so please share and comment in the comment box, and like the video. And those who didn't subscribe my channel, so please kindly friends subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.